Okay, it's about 5:30. Trying to get the hell out of here before stuff comes in. It's been kind of drizzling all day. It's not been bad. I managed to get the trailer hooked up to the battery packs for the solar panels. So the trailer's running off the solar panels now. And we got the stuff just coming up the canyon. Back over that way is Sugar Pine. We're not going out that way. We're going to go out through Iowa Hill. So, just get an idea what it's like up here. It's kind of neat. It's kind of quiet except for my engine running. But we got a lot done. So far we've run power and water up to the greenhouse. From the greenhouse to the pump house, we have the electricity all up there buried, and we have a water line coming down that feeds the tank in the garage. And then at the greenhouse here, we have a pump in there with a 45-gallon pressure tank, and that's for pressurized water for watering whatever in there, the baby cow in her trees, whatever. And the same pressurized water runs up to the pump house. So if we need to use a pressure washer up there to clean out those tanks again that have the algae in them, we can do that. And then this is kind of on hold. We're just waiting to do something with all this area here with all the topsoil and stuff. But there's the yurt on the next hill over. That's like the closest person up here. So anyhow, it's really cool up here. There's no social distancing necessary, or physical distancing as Governor Nuisance calls it. So anyhow, that's just a shot. 5:30, getting the hell out of town, back through Iowa Hill and Colfax.